Welcome to Corfu, a jewel in many of the Greek islands.
So this is the traditional way to start the day in Greece. We've got traditional Greek coffee and a glass of water. Quite strong, and you don't drink the last third. This is why you don't drink the last third. You can see the granules still in the bottom, the sludge in the bottom. Unlike an espresso, it's not bitter, it's quite smooth and sweet. Corfu was very desirable for conquerors, as it was a strategic place for an outpost of the gateway to the Mediterranean. In the old town of Corfu, Corfu Town was built between two fortresses. Oh, nice bit of cool shade. The streets were purposely built, houses close together, to create shade and cool. The newest fortification in Corfu Town was built by the Venetians in 1728 and overlooks the harbour. This is on the west side of Corfu Town and has a network of tunnels beneath, built on the hill of St. Mark's. Corfu Harbour. From ferries
to fishing boats to cruise ships. We're on top of the first and newest fortification of Corfu, and you can see how Corfu was built between the two. The one in the distance is the one we'll be going to next. Here we are, coming back into the old town. Far easier coming down than what it is going up, I must say. And now I think it's beer o'clock. So guys, whilst I've been here in Corfu on my exploring travels, bumped into another vlogger. This is Mark. Let him tell you a little bit about himself, and what I'll do is I'll put his link on the bottom so that you can see what he's up to as well.
Well, what is happening, folks? My name is Mark Fisher from Guess Where I Am Today, Mark. I am a travel blogger. I have been traveling on and off for as long as I was able to, maybe 20 years. This last time I've been on the road since just after November 2020. I lost my job in the coronavirus, due to the coronavirus. So I decided to take myself off on the road, and I've been in Mexico, Latin America, Guatemala. I was teaching English in Thailand just recently. Now I've come back to Europe. I'm spending a few days just taking in all the cultural sights and sounds of Corfu Old Town, which is full of history. Just been to the old fortresses, which were built by the Venetians, I believe. It's been occupied by the French, by the British, by the Nazis. Actually met at a statue to the Jews who perished or were captured by the Nazis in the Second World War from Corfu. So there's a lot of history about in Corfu town itself. So Corfu, I suppose, it's known in sort of my friendship circles as a party place, Kavos. You know, if you say Corfu or Kavos, there's a lot more to Corfu than just a strip of bars. Although they are fun, but there's a lot more to the place than that. So yes, a little bit about me. My channel is, again, as I said before, is Guess Where I Am Today, Mark.
I'll put the link on the bottom, guys, about Guess Where I Am Today, so that you can follow Mark on his channel yeah, maybe have a look at what he's doing. It's great to get in touch with another travel vlogger. Just makes the job worthwhile.